In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make Valorant full screen again. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are encountering issues when trying to make Valorant full screen, the first and simplest step before even proceeding through with this video is to check if your video settings are correctly detected and set up within the game itself. So go to the video settings, see if your monitor is properly detected, and see if you can change it from there. If you encounter problems while trying to select full screen from the video settings, then try one of these two methods. First, close out of the game, and first, if you are on NVIDIA, open up the NVIDIA desktop or display settings by right-clicking anywhere in your desktop. Within the NVIDIA control panel, at the left menu, over Display, select Adjust Desktop Size and Position. Once you select that option, you should have all of your displays listed at the number 1 option. First, select which display you would like to change, and on the second option, simply select full screen from the scaling modes. If you don't have the option to change aspect ratio, full screen, or no scaling, make sure that you have your GPU properly connected to your HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Afterwards, like I said, just select full screen from the scaling mode options, and that way any resolution you pick will be full screen inside Valorant. Now, if you have an AMD setup, what you have to do is open up the AMD Adrenalin software by right-clicking anywhere in your desktop and clicking on AMD software. In here, simply look for scaling mode at the search bar on the top, and on the display options, change it to full panel. After you change it to full panel, the same option will be enabled, and regardless of which resolution you pick, the game will always be full screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to make Valorant full screen again. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.